Alright, we're at Gingerman Raceway today. Rained all morning. Had one session in the rain, that's about it. Track's dried up. So, got all the nannies off. And we'll see what we can do today. A lot of Corvettes out today. Quite a few Camaros. Not a lot of Miatas for a change. A couple BMW M3s. A couple nice green Porsches out here. I think GT3s. Want to run in this session. Obviously, he's pretty fast. I'm going to have to give him a point by at some point, depending on how traffic lines up. About ready to get going here. We're waiting for cars to come off track. There goes the Porsche GT3. Three Camaro, one LEs out here, two white ones, and I think a red one. No ZL1s. Got this Elantra up here. Should be able to, my traction control and traction holds up, should be able to.
Ready?
Ready.
All right, have fun.
Okay. Yeah, the track is definitely dried out. Should be able to get around here pretty good. Running some new PowerStop brakes. Also, these are ceramic, so we'll see if they put out a little less or less. time I was out. Had some pretty good track times. So that does amazing, and you're talking, that car's probably double, I think. This one was used, so, but, which I got this for 9,000, or with 9,000 miles, so, he's got 12,000 on his. His is a 23. Mine's a 23. I'm guessing he ate more depreciation than I did already. So, I guess if you got the money, Porsche is the way to go. If money wasn't an option, definitely being a Porsche. Alright, so I'm going to shut it down now. Hope you enjoyed the video. One more session later, so we'll see if that one turns out any better and pick which one to post.